Badney say to it.
We never start yet.
Alright, go on down. Ready?
We never shoot off the cart yet.
Alright, go on. Push up the cart down.
What's that now?
2, 3, hit them.
Pull down panty, pump up punani. Push penis, pampalin plus patsy. Pressure Pamela property, put her pam pastapedic. Practice precaution, pick prophylactic. Phone parlor, pam pebble, pam pam a port more blinds. Plan pattern, plan patricia, pavement. Them, hey, alright, walla.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm back again on my viewers and subscribers to their yard and abroad. And right about now, I'm so glad y'all see the video of Busy Signal a while ago. Yo, no one cannot tell me that Busy Signal ain't lyrical. No one. My viewers and subscribers, he's singing a song with just the letter P. Him alone. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. But right now, I'm going to tell you all some more what I'm going to do in this video, and we get through to Busy Signal. So right about now, we have Busy Signal video, and we have a lady, a Rasta man. You see me? A Rasta man hold a machete at his own throat and holding a white female. A white female. I'll get my viewers and subscribers to stay tuned. Tune in. That's what I say. I'm not going to listen Busy Signal, but listen this right about now. We are going to come back with one again. With Shaggy. Talking about the song of Frankie Paul sing. Where that it goes by Sarah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So right about now, I want you to tune in and just listen. So, listen right now. Busy Signal. Listen.
We never start yet.
Alright, go on down. Ready?
We never shoot off the cart yet.
Alright, go on. Push up the cart down.
What's that now?
2, 3, hit them.
Pull down panty, pump up punani. Push penis, pampalin plus patsy. Pressure Pamela property, put her pam pastapedic. Practice precaution, pick prophylactic. Phone parlor, pam pebble, pam pam a port more blinds. Plan pattern, plan patricia, pavement. Them, hey, alright, walla. Hey, you're good. The producer was busting shots outside. You're good. Go on again. Hey, Thursday night, we're full of vibes around here. BBC Radio 1 Extra. Shawty B. BBC, let's get it. Ready? Again? Pull down panty, pump up punani. Push penis, pampalin plus patsy. Pressure Pamela property, put her pam pastapedic. Practice precaution, pick prophylactic. Phone parlor, pam pebble, pam pam a port more blinds. Plan pattern, plan patricia, pavement, Porsche. Pulport, polyester, pause, pull up, yeah, hey. Roll past Princeville, pick up Priscilla. Precisely place her pam popular. Put power performance, pam proper. Pierce her, peer passa. Portion to push part parallel. Plasma pam panel. PSP playing Pharrell. Pimping prostitutes proudly. Please pay personnel. Hey, so P. Hey, could you kindly go on there? Just for the record, just for the record, this song right here, Shawnee B, this is no self-praise. This is no self-praise. This song right here, no human being in the world has never done a song
with PAPs.
With every word, not just PAPs. Every word
is a P.
In the song starts with the letter P. It's not like every other word or every other bar. You know what I mean? Pull down, you listening? Pull down panty, pump up punani.
Yes, my viewers and subs, and this I feel man them. We love rape woman, we love beat woman, we love abuse woman. Yeah. And this video that I'm going to show y'all, just look and learn and listen. You see me? Don't let this happen to no man. You get me, my viewers and subscribers. Demand them, watch out. No stop. No fuck it. Sorry about my expletive, my viewers and subscribers. You get me? But man them, no stop abuse the woman them. You see me?
What seems to be the problem?
You're afraid.
Edwin, everything's okay, man.
Okay.
I need for you to relax. There's no, hey, listen, don't get hyped up. Calm down. Calm down. Relax. 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 There you go. Just relax, man.
Relax. It's all good.
Just relax. We gonna get this worked out. Everything's gonna be just fine. Just relax.
Okay, let her go, and then we'll talk about it.
Just relax.
Come on, let her go.
Hey,
No.
Okay, let her go. I want her to pull her back, man.
They're coming. Let's go down.
Look,
You need to
Calm
let her
down.
go, okay?
calm down.
Let her go.
My son not about to go.
No, calm down. Hey, Edwin, stop.
No, come on. Go.
I'm gonna show the original Sarah to Mickey from Starship. Show him Frankie version. Right? Oh. Mickey, I got something to show you. This is there's a singer by the name of Frankie Paul. Frankie Paul. Jamaican singer. And he covered your song. Well, check this version. Okay? I know it now. Wow. That's amazing, man. Yeah. Whole different feel. Different pocket. Yeah. And this was a hit in Jamaica? This is a massive, massive hit within reggae and dancehall fraternity. I've never heard it. Massive, massive. But it's your song, but it's interpreted a little different. I know, thank you for that, man. Different. Thank you for turning me on to it. In a reggae vibe to it. I'm going to share that. Storms are brewing in your eyes. Yes. So Frankie Paul, rest in peace, Frankie Paul. He's no longer with us? No, he's not. He passed, but hey. Well, thank you, Frankie.